A clinical trial is a study of trying to look at different treatments for a disease. And it might be a new drug, or it might be a combination of new and old drugs or two new drugs together to try and see, can we improve the results of treatment compared to standard therapy. So there's a lot of research in the area, and there's always several trials in pancreatic cancer being run across Melbourne and across Australia as well. We obviously need to make sure to look at how extensive the disease is, how fit you are, what other medical problems you do have as well, which may make treatment difficult. They do have what's called the eligibility criteria for clinical trials, which patients have to meet in terms of their level of fitness, disease extent, their blood tests, etc. So not all patients can enter clinical trials, but I think that patients should be considered as much as possible for them. They really need to speak to the medical oncologist. That would be their first port of call. And they would know what trials are running within their own hospital, and also most of us have contacts or know of other clinical trials being run in other centres in Melbourne or even interstate in some cases. If you or your family member were interested, I think that you need to speak to your medical oncologist first. I think it's a matter of really pushing your medical oncologist to find out about them and to search what trials you're suitable for. It's quite important. That's the only way we're going to advance the disease, because at the moment we have been trialling different types of chemotherapy for many decades, and I think we've perhaps reached a plateau now, and I think we need to move ahead with this disease.